In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert text on photo to Excel. Well, I know that each of us, this is a struggle when we want to paste a photo and we want to edit it. I mean, the photo has a text, but of course, if we're going to paste that photo here in Excel, we cannot edit everything about that. So this way, I'm going to show you how to do it, how to convert text and photo to Excel. So all you have to do is to download that image or that photo first, and then go back to your Microsoft Excel. This time, go to Data, click from Picture, okay, and then select or tap that image or photo that you have downloaded earlier. Okay, so this one, and then click insert. So data from picture, Excel is analyzing your file or your photo. So as you can see here, the red marks, that means they want you to change something or recheck something. It can be an error, something about an error in the photo, or they want you to recheck if this is the way you wanted it as a result or an output, or you want to edit something, like you can erase that one, you can delete that one, you can change the letter, you can change the number. So everything is up to you. Okay, so you can do it one by one, or you can simply tap this review and then accept all. Then the picture will be inserted here in Microsoft Excel after you tap this insert data, or after you accepted everything here and tap insert data. So that's how easy it is. Now, of course, it may not look like, or it may not appear perfectly. Then all you have to do is to simply edit some part of it, but only a few, like columns or whatsoever, because sometimes the Excel, or sometimes the features are not compatible with the Excel. So there are tendencies like that. But in short, or the main thing is that you have converted the photo or text to Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you convert text and photo to Excel. And you can do that also not only for downloaded photo, also if you're having problem with, you want to screenshot a part of a photo, and of course you wanted to convert text and photo to Excel, then you can do the same thing, but let's just do it differently this time. Okay, you can go back to your Microsoft Excel, go to data, go to picture, but this time you have to choose this picture from clipboard. Automatically, you can see it here. Okay, data from picture, analyzing, recheck, and then review, and then insert data if there's no uh, wrong or there's no mistake, then that's it. So you can accept, review, and you can see the output here. So here it is. Now all you have to do is to simply, edit the font size, the column. Okay, so there are only a bit or a few things to change here. But the point is that you convert text and photo to Excel. So that's it. All you have to do is to simply download or screenshot that photo, go to data, and then click from picture. Then Microsoft Excel will analyze your picture, your photo. You need to recheck everything except, and then insert data. Then here it is. And all you have to do is to change a little bit of it. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.